I just want to make this quick video for you to be careful. I get a lot of questions about folks that want to have children together but don't want to get married, and they want to have a child custody, child support agreement in writing in case they split up. You need to check with a family law attorney in your jurisdiction to find out whether or not those types of agreements are even enforceable. In many jurisdictions, child custody orders and child custody agreements are always modifiable by a court based on the best interest of the children. So in other words, you could have a child with someone and come to a written custody agreement in the event you're no longer living together. Or you don't even have to ever be living together, but have a child with someone and come to a written agreement. It may not even be worth the paper it's written on if your jurisdiction has a child custody law that allows the courts to decide what's in the best interest of the child. And how would they decide? One of the two parents would file a child custody modification petition or a child custody petition, if it's initial, to decide what will happen with the child. So don't think that you can just come to a written agreement or a verbal agreement with someone and say, oh, it's always going to be week on, week off, or 50-50. You're kidding yourself, and you're going to find out the hard way that in many jurisdictions, that's not the case. Same thing with child support. You can't cap it through an agreement. Because why? Because the purpose of child support is to take care of the child. It's the child's benefit, that money, not someone else. Someone else can't argue away, and they can't cap what would be due the child under state law. So be careful what you think you're agreeing to, because it may not be enforceable. Talk to a local family law attorney in your jurisdiction. They'll tell you what's possible and what's not. Don't guess, and don't find out the hard way, all right? If you know somebody who needs to see this, share it. That's why there's a share button. Like, comment. I try to answer the comments. I love reading them. And certainly subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the community. Be careful out there.